Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace words in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. If you often edit documents, fix repeated mistakes, or change names and sentences in large files. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Next, make sure you are in the Home section at the top of the screen. Then, look to the right side and click on Editing. After that, click on Replace. You can also open the Replace tool quickly by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl H. Now, a small window will appear on your screen. In the Find What box, type the word or text you want to replace. Next, go to the Replace with box and type the new word or text you want to use. Then, click on Replace if you want to replace words one by one. If you want Microsoft Word to replace every matching word automatically, click on Replace All. This feature is very useful when editing long documents because it helps save time and avoid manual changes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others who may find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.